Hey, how's it going, fam? Welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today, you're right, Israel will be highlighting the relationship between fungus and our root systems, whether we're working in our garden or out in our pastures. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Steve Ryan, Israel here, Texas Small Farmers and Ranchers Community Organization. I just want to touch on, I'm going to introduce you to a big old word today. This is a 50-cent word, and this word is Mycorrhiza. Now, the word myco means fungus. Rhiza means roots. And so, why is it important to know this word? So, mycorrhiza are the fungi that have a symbiotic relationship with the roots of many plants. So this is very important for your plants in your garden, and this is very beneficial to your plants. These roots and this fungus called mycorrhiza work together in a relationship, and what they do is they add to nutrition, the soil biology, and the soil chemistry. How can you boost mycorrhiza, you might say? Do I have to buy this in the store? Do I have to go to a store to get this? No, you can do this by composting, mulching the soil with organic matter, such as well-rotted horse manure or any other type of manures. The manures that are herbivores. You have your cow, you have your rabbit, horse, of course, and then also if you're composting yourself, you have your own personal compost pile that you're doing it. These are some of the ways that you can increase the mycorrhiza in your yard. Also, if you're lay down organic matter in your yard, you have your grass clippings, your old hay, things you always have your ground covered. This enhances and promotes the growth of mycorrhiza in your garden. Very, very, very important.